this is Mike Rogers, and on Teamwork Tuesday today, I want to give you one tip, one thing you've got to make sure that you're really clear about on your teams in order to be really successful. I just got to my hotel about a couple hours ago, and I'm preparing for a big keynote tomorrow. It's actually a keynote for one of the largest cancer centers and research facilities in all of the world. And their mission is really exciting. Their mission is to make cancer history, to completely eradicate cancer. And how can you, as a member of that team and this organization that I get to present to tomorrow, how can you not wake up excited about what you get to do? How many of your teams are excited about what they get to do? And are they clear on what your mission is and what your value is, or what your vision is in terms of your team and in terms of your organization? And do they understand how they align to that mission and to that vision? You know, you don't want to be a team that's, for example, in a rowboat in the middle of the lake in dense and heavy fog, and you keep telling your team to keep rowing, and they keep shouting back, but we don't know where we're going. Because a team that's told to keep rowing, that doesn't know ultimately where it's going, is eventually going to stop rowing. And so in order to get your team excited about your vision and mission, be clear on what it is and how each member of your team and each member of your organization contributes to that vision and that mission.